Most people think adult spinal deformity begins when they're diagnosed in their 60s or 70s. In reality, the process often starts 20 to 40 years earlier. The spine adapts to the stresses we place on it every single day. Forward head posture, prolonged sitting, poor sleeping positions, asymmetrical movement patterns. At first, the changes are subtle. Increased neck stiffness, reduced flexibility, one shoulder becoming higher. But as decades pass, abnormal loading contributes to disc degeneration, facet joint arthritis, vertebral wedging, loss of lumbar lordosis, increased thoracic kyphosis, and eventually degenerative scoliosis. At Bethesda Spine and Posture, we focus on identifying structural problems before they become major disabilities. Using chiropractic biophysics, our goal is to restore normal spinal curves, reduce forward head posture, and improve sagittal alignment. Your future spine is being built today. Take it from a scoliosis and posture specialist. The best way to manage a deformity may be to help prevent it from developing in the first place.